Ghost pepper. It's got ghost pepper cheese on it.
Oh.
Are you cattle ranching there?
We're a fully operating ranch.
Well, honey,
Only have a single axle.
where are we at, babe?
Red River, New Mexico.
Yeah. Look at the aspens
So pretty.
over there. It's beautiful.
So pretty.
This is a cool little park in here.
Look at the bear statue, or whatever that is, sculpture.
There's the lifts back there in the back, but pretty cool little place here in Red River.
Gold Nugget gift shop.
We're actually heading down to a brewery here so we can go hog wild on drinking micro brews.
Is that what it has?
Yeah, it'll have micro brews and good sandwiches and stuff, so we'll check it out. See, oh, that's gross. I just had to watch the Edwards kiss in front of me. And it looked like it was wet-lipped too as well, so yeah, there you go.
You said it.
I'm glad that was on camera. Cool. Yeah, it's been a wonderful ride, man. This is a really nice area in here. The roads are really windy and curvy through and very beautiful.
Got rained on today.
Yeah, and snow.
And a little snow.
A little snow, I know, that's what we talked about just a moment ago. I always love these. We're going to come up on it here in just a second. That is where we stayed. Yeah. Yeah. But
We've been here before.
these,
It's been a long time.
yeah, it's been a long time. When we were kids, we were here. But these pots, they always have like flower pots and stuff in these cities. Always so cool to have. It's a neat little town, neat little place. Especially if you're on a motorcycle. It's a cool place to come to, so hope you're enjoying the videos. We're gonna go up here and eat. We'll get to showcase the food for you too as well, make recommendations. It's awesome. All right, here we go.
Me. Yep.
Woo! All right. Holy cow, look at all that food down there. No, I'm just going to eat it out of that. Heather, what'd you order?
Tacos.
Oh, yeah. Look at that.
Grilled cheese. With some ghost pepper. It's got ghost pepper cheese on it.
Oh, man, that looks good.
The cheese.
Aaron's got that.
I didn't know I
All right. How's that BLT? Good? All right. Cool. It's good food. By the way, if you ever come here to Red River, where are we eating? What is this? Brewery Distillery? Red River Brewery and Distillery. Got to come see it.
That's good.
It's good food.
That's good soup.
And
Good
also,
drinks.
their service was fast,
Is it good
and their
soup?
drinks
Oh, yeah.
are awesome. Their beer, as you can tell, since there's like 10, 20 glasses of beer on the table, really good too as well.
And we are walking home.
We're all walking home. We do not have a DD. We're good. We're fine. We're good. All right. Good food. Good people. Love it. All right. We're going to record this because I'm in trouble. My wife adores our waiter, so I'm going to go put our waiter on YouTube here
Tastes great with this.
because his eyes are intoxicating. He has like bright blue eyes that are sick, so. All right, we're going to introduce our waiter. What's your name, man?
Tyler.
Tyler. Tyler, how old are you? 30. Tyler, are you available? Tyler's not available, sorry. So my wife, I guess, is going to have to stick with this guy. So, but hey, man, thank you so much. You were awesome, dude. Appreciate you guys. What's the name of your place?
Red River Brewing Company.
Red River Brewing Company. Come here. Great food, great service, great beer. All right, thanks, man.
Hey, thank you guys.
Well, we are all pot bellies at this point because
We ate a lot of food
we ate way
at
too
Red
much
River
food.
Brewing Company.
Yeah, and
Really good.
it was fantastic. And then we unfortunately went and got ice cream
at
on
Willies.
top of all
What
that.
was it called?
I don't even
Shotgun
know.
Willies.
Shotgun Little Willie's
Shotgun
ice
Willies.
cream something.
Cafe and catering.
I don't know. It
That's what
was
it
a
says on
lot,
this cup.
and so
Little Willies. There it is.
yeah, I told you.
Little
It's
Willie's Shenanigans.
Shenanigans ice cream.
Okay.
But I now have a belly that's the size of, I don't even know how to answer that. But yeah, we are here in Red River. We're going to stay here the night. We're kind of closing ourselves out right now. And then from there, we will be heading out tomorrow morning. I think we're going to leave a little early. It's supposed to be raining again when we actually get to Pagosa.
It's going to be pretty chilly tomorrow, too, like what they say.
Yeah, I think it's supposed to be 37 degrees in the morning when we wake up. And then from there, I think it will be 46 when we take off at around 8:30 to 9 o'clock. And then we will actually get the chance to go over to the Rio Grande Gorge, which is absolutely cool.
Yeah.
It's a bridge that you just don't even know that you go over a gorge until all of a sudden it's there. And then, bam, you're like 500 foot higher than, you know, where the river is below you.
Yeah.
So, and then we'll go through some twisties and head on our way to Pagosa, which I
Springs.
heard had the largest hot water heated, what is it? The
Hot
heated
springs?
hot spring. Yeah, the largest or deepest hot spring in the world. So over 100
I did not
feet.
hear that.
I know. Coach Ed told us.
That is a
Because when
Steveism.
Coach Ed tells us, that's not a Steveism, but when he tells
I guess
us,
it's not. Yeah,
then
you're
it's
right.
accurate.
Not a Steve.
At least that's what we believe, or we think we believe.
Is
I
it a
don't know.
Steve tail?
Hey Heather, how you doing over there?
I tried to not be in the video.
Yeah, I know. We love putting Heather in the video because
Because she turns the same
red.
color as her jacket.
And then especially when
face.
Aaron talks about her,
It's great.
it is even better.
Great time.
So it's the fun we have. See, there he is right there. There's the
hi.
A-Rod. Anything you want to share about Heather right now?
Oh shit, where do we start?
Oh, God.
No, she's looking at me. I can't.
Yeah, you can't.
Go,
You're
walk
getting in
away.
trouble.
Walk
You're getting in
away.
trouble really
Walk
quick.
away.
So we had a couple butt pucker moments today. There's a lot of turns. We also, like we talked about,
And
up
it was
in the
raining.
snow.
Yeah.
And
it
rain,
snowed. We had some
so
snow.
pretty wild.
It didn't snow on us. But there was snow,
there
on,
was
the
snow
ground.
on the ground as we were
So-
going through it. Yeah, it was a great day. It was a wonderful day. 10 out of 10, easily.
It was beautiful.
It was pretty wild
Beautiful.
going through flatlands and then all of a
Then
sudden,
all of a sudden-
in the mountains, all in the same day was pretty wild. And the temperature
awesome.
being about 90 degrees and then all of a sudden being 40 degrees was definitely also a wild moment too as well. So, all right, we're going to get out of here.
so beautiful.
I hope everybody has a wonderful time watching our videos. Thank you so much for your support and being a part of the Mild Hogs of Glenpool. We're on the horsies, look. And I am definitely not straddling because I am just flat out telling you, this is going to make somebody sick watching this. Aaron's whining. He's got bigger balls. And it does hurt the old tailpipe as well, but it sure is fun. Hope everybody's having a fun one. I hope that you enjoy this in the video. Aaron's done, and I am done too. All right.
Have you seen the mule deer yet?
Yeah.
I mean, they're don't look good. They look terrible.
Yeah, I was calling them yearlings.
Oh, they're horrible. It's real bad.
Are you cattle ranching there?
We're a fully operating range, so I've got hunters that come from all over the world to hunt with us.
Really?
That's awesome.
I've been doing it for 35 years. Whitetail hunting. And we've got cattle and hay and cotton and
Yeah.
wheat.
I've got a cousin that has Reinert Hay Company in Canyon. You know Canyon?
Canyon, Texas. That's
Yeah.
where I went to college.
Is that right? Yeah, that's where he went.
Wow, that's crazy.
Yeah,
That's where I
he was
graduated.
college.
Yeah.
Yeah, he was a rodeo kid there.
I'll be dang.
And then started a hay company, and he sells feed. Got a big grinding outfit outside town, outside Amarillo there, outside of Canyon, between Canyon and Weather.
Okay.
And got a big operation now. He does. He's selling at Caliche too.
I'll be dang.
Yeah, he started buying at Caliche and selling it to the highway companies and all that. He is killing. He said, Coach, I'm telling you, it's like having your own printing press for money. That's
right,
He said,
yeah.
He's selling it like crazy.
Oh, it's on fire right now.
But he's got,
Everybody's building
yeah,
it.
he's got these gigantic grinders and mixes all that feed up, hauls it out truckloads, and oh, he's got a heck of an operation. If you ever need hay, man,
These stops are pretty
Ryder Hay Company,
The longest
yeah.
one.
Ryder Hay
It's
is
right
Canyon.
outside of Canyon.
Right outside of Canyon, yeah. That's not too far from you guys, is it?
Oh, it's pretty far.
It's a pretty good
About
ways.
3.5, 4 hours.
Okay, yeah.
It's to the north.
Yeah.
And where y'all at? Abilene?
We're about halfway between Abilene and Sweetwater,
Okay.
Yeah.
and a little bit
Yeah.
north. And then we're one of the few operations that'll hunt kids and women. You know, we like the kid hunts and the women hunts.
Yeah,
The way you said it is like.
I did too. I was kind of like, all right, what kind of operation you got going over there?
Yeah. Well, you know, they, yeah, that sounded kind of bad. We've got
Hidden women
dogs,
hunts.
so if they make a bad shot,
yeah.
a woman don't. Women are the best shots of anybody. There's no competitive.
You guys better watch
They're
out.
not in a hurry.
Feeling you.
Yeah.
They're not in a hurry. They're not competitive, and it works out good. So the kids, you know, when you get them started, you're going to get one bad.
You bird hunt and stuff too?
We
Yeah.
do it all.
Yeah.
Turkey and dove and quail.
How
You
cool.
know, back home, you can't find quail anywhere. We were talking about it yesterday about quail are just gone, man.
We got a lot of feral cats that run around there. They'll wipe out quail.
Y'all have fire ants?
No, a little bit.
Sometimes.
Fire ants are bad. Hard on them. We've been short for about 4 years, but we've got a big crop this year as well.
We got a lot of coyotes that run around that place too.
We got that too. We fly a helicopter twice a year and try to get rid of the varmints, and we got